Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to talk about the new Jaclyn Hill mystery boxes. Yeah, you heard me correctly, you read the title correctly, and you saw the thumbnail correctly. Jaclyn Hill is coming out with mystery boxes, so if you want all the information, all of the piping hot tea, then definitely keep on watching. And if you are into these types of videos for me, because I am your friendly neighborhood spoiler and unboxing gal, and even though these aren't technically spoilers, but they also are technically spoilers, yeah, just give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, it would mean so much, especially because I've noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you're already viewing this video right now, if you would, do me the honor and hit the subscribe button. It would melt my heart, and let's go ahead and get into the video. Now listen, I know there is a lot of controversy around Jaclyn Hill and makeup launches every time just about she launches something, whether it's with her own brand or a different brand. Something goes wrong. Something went wrong when she was going to do something with Makeup Geek. It never happened, and then she went and did something with Becca. Then they had problems with the formula and had to reformulate. Morphe, she's had a million different problems with Morphe. Her lipsticks didn't go so well, though her highlighters are amazing. I have two of them. Let me show you really quick. I have the Flash palette here, and I almost didn't even get it, but Teresa's Dead recommended it, so I was like, okay, I'll try it, and I'm not gonna lie, it's like one of my favorite highlighters I own. And then I also have one of her loose highlighters in the shade Extra, also one that I absolutely love. So that, I can give her that. Her last launch was amazing, so I'm actually looking forward to these mystery boxes. The only problem is the fact that she does have this really terrible history with launches, and now she's coming out with a mystery box, so you never know what you're gonna get. So it's like, you know, is hair a part of the theme? We don't know. It's a mystery. It could be. So earlier today, she announced on her Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics Instagram, Love is Blind, February 5th, 2021. And for like 2.5 seconds, I was like, is she gonna be like the host of the Netflix show Love is Blind, which was a really insane show if you haven't seen it. But then I was like, it couldn't be. So it has to be makeup. So she posted this image a little bit later of a box, and I'm like, okay, this is cute, and it has question marks on it. So I have a feeling she's literally not going to show us what's coming in here, but she did say she was going to talk about it on Friday. I don't know if that's going to be before or after it launches, because it does launch on Friday in 2 days. So yeah. Anyway, so she did come out with these images of everything coming out in these individual sets, and I'm a little bit confused. I don't know if it's because I'm really tired and it's almost 10 o'clock at night and I kind of put makeup on because I really wanted to talk about this, but I'm really tired. So you guys, you tell me what this means, because I'm not sure. So let's just talk about the information first. So she has the very first box. It's called the Lip Locked Set, and it's going to retail for $25. And the description of this box is, our lips are sealed. If you were to text and ask us what's in this set, ... we'd leave you on red. But red as in the color red, R-E-D. So I'm going to assume red lipstick. And then the next box is called the Light of My Life set, which has a $45 price on it. There's nothing like that in Love Glow, so I assume highlighters. And then the next set is the Self-Love Starter Kit set, which has the value of $35, and it's Who Are You Getting All Cute For? Me, duh. And then the last and final one is For the Love of Makeup set, which is $65. A big haul is all you need to remind you just why makeup is so amazing. Launching Friday, February 5th at 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time on JaclynCosmetics.com. So that came out, and then Trid Mood came out with more of a sneak peek spoiler, so we can kind of see what these are. So this is a Valentine's Day collection if you didn't gather this, but it's the Valentine's Day capsule. So I'm almost assuming since it's Valentine's Day capsule, maybe it could be kind of like a time capsule. Maybe it's things from past launches, like her highlighters maybe. I think she might have done a lipstick with like some brand way back in the day, like 2014 or something. So the lip lock set, which is $25, shows on here 4 different what appears to be liquid lips or even lip glosses or lip velvets, but it's in this kind of packaging. Now it has 4 here, but it has the set of 3 and 1 with a question mark and then another one with a question mark. So I'm assuming either there's going to be 3 products in here or 4. I'm not completely sure. So that's the first one and $25. If there's 3 products in here for $25, I say that's probably a really good value. And I do like how cheap these sets are. They're not like overly expensive, which really intrigues me, and I do plan on picking up all of these if I can get my hands on them. So the next set is the Light of My Life set, and it looks kind of like it could be her highlighter palette and then like a boxed highlighter, because the Ultra Loose highlighter came in like a box, and that's what it looks like to me. Like it could be her highlighter palette and her loose highlighter, or even her mood powder that she already had released previously that was limited edition, never coming back. She had a sale on them like for the last time ever, and she's like, get them now, they're never coming back. So I'm wondering with the word capsule if those could come and be in a mystery box, like say she actually didn't sell them all like she, you know, said she did, and then, you know, here, or she's reintroducing them, or if this is just a completely new product like a blush palette or a bronzer or a eyeshadow palette, who knows, and then this product that's in a box. Now something else that I'm not sure about is it has a ×2 and a ×3. What does that mean? Is there going to be 2 of these and 3 of these in the box for that price, or is there going to be 2 variations and 3 variations of the products? See what I'm saying? Because surely for $45 you're not getting 5 products that look like that. I mean, you might, who knows, but I feel like you might get 2 products and then there's variants. That's what I'm thinking that means, but I don't know. And then we have the Self-Love Starter Kit here, which was $35, which this is where I'm like, huh, what does this mean? Because you have the 3 lip products there, the box, the separate lip product, and then that what looks like a palette. So is that all coming in that box, or are they variants within that box? I don't know. And then we have the For the Love of Makeup set. So then you see the 3 products on its own, the 4 times the box instead of 3, it's actually 4 times this time, the by itself lipstick product, and then 2 times the box. And remember, that one cost $65. So are we gonna have 3, 4, 8, 10 products in that box? I don't know. What could 4 of those boxes be? 2 of those palette type things be? I have no idea. I kind of feel like it would be kind of disappointing if it is her highlighters she had already released, because this is going on Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics. So many people have bought those highlighters before, so I don't know if, I mean, I know so many people are gonna buy these that are like huge fans of her, which through it all, I still love Jaclyn Hill. You just can't not love her despite the terrible bad decisions she did, but I feel like she's learned from that, you know, like we all have to like have something happen to us, hurt our ego a little bit, and then like get back up and say, okay, this is how it's supposed to work, you know? So yeah, she handled that situation really bad, but we gotta give her a chance. And she's getting a lot of hate already for these mystery boxes, and it's like, come on, leave Jaclyn Hill alone. Everybody always beats Jaclyn Hill down. Not saying I haven't said things about her in the past, back in 2018 or 2019, I forget even what year that was, but I took it all back. Like, I apologized for that. But I'm excited. I can't wait to see what this is. I do hope that she does reveal prior to what these could be, especially if the lip products that are coming in all these boxes are going to be the exact same. I'm kind of thinking that they might be like the lip lock set will be these colors, the Light of My Life will be that specific product, and then the Self-Love Starter Kit will be the same thing in there but then added more, because there's not a ×2 or a ×3 for the actual like lipstick thing. So I don't know, I'm really confused by that. It doesn't make too much sense for me. I wish wish that like Trend Mood would clarify. So I'm lost for words. I really have no idea what these products are going to be, and it is kind of funny that they're in a mystery box considering, you know, like I said, her history, but I'm here for it. Going to support. I love Jaclyn Hill, and after her highlighters, I want more. Her highlighters were actually so good, and I did really want her hairy lipsticks, and I remember being really sad because I didn't have the money for them because they were like $18, and then, you know, all that happened, and then I was kind of like, oh, well, I'm kind of glad I didn't, you know, spend my money on that, even though people got refunded, but like the colors were still so beautiful, so I still wanted to like remake those lipsticks, you know what I mean? But anyways, I want to know what you think down below. Are you interested in this? I definitely know I will probably do a giveaway if I have any kind of like duplicates and whatnot, but I don't know. I don't know what's coming in here. If we know what's coming in here, I will definitely update you guys before the launch and let you guys know what's coming in here, okay? But if we don't, we're just gonna have to see what we get because this box has question marks on it, so I have a feeling we're not gonna see it until we see it on the tube being revealed, you know? But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know your opinions down below. Are you going to pick any of these up? Are you interested? Are you still like skeptical about Jaclyn Hill since all of her launches except for one has been awful? Just let me know everything down below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!